Serif, what are you doing?
Oh, hi, Rose. Come on, sit. I have an assignment. I have to submit it in 15 minutes. I don't know what to do. I didn't manage my time.
Why? You don't have your timetable.
Can we do our timetable?
Yes, of course.
Oh, I didn't know.
I can teach you on the workshop on
Okay.
Wednesday. It's about time management,
Okay.
so I can help you. Don't worry.
Okay, then I will bring my friends.
Yes, it's in the room B014 at 1 o'clock and 20. So come with your friends. Don't
Okay,
worry.
sure. Okay, thank you. Thank you,
Bye.
Rose. Bye.
Your time is your life. Manage it. Priorities, planning, schedules, checking. Improve time management for a better life.